Hi everyone, welcome back to Milo e-learning. So today we're going to try to do some of sums and I'm going to relate it to word problems. I'm going to give you a word problem and we're going to solve it using of sums. The word problem is Samantha had 600 Rand. She spent 2/5 of her money on a dress. How much of money did she have left? So the first thing that you're going to do is that you're going to write a number sentence. Now, a number sentence basically tells the examiner that you know what operation you are going to use. So you say 2/5 of 600 Rand is equal to placeholder. Now you have to put a placeholder after the equal to sign because it tells them that you know that it must equal to something. You can either put a placeholder or you can put an X or a Y. Now let's try to solve it. So we say 2/5 times 600 Rand. Now what you do here is you take 600 Rand, which is the total, divided by the denominator times the numerator. You're going to write is equal to, in brackets, 600 Rand, that's the total, divided by 5, which is the denominator, times 2, and that's the numerator. So 5 goes into 60 12 times, and 5 goes into 0 0 times. So we say it's 120 times 2. 120 times 2 is equal to 240 Rand. So 2/5 of 600 Rand is what the dress cost. And you write a closing sentence and you say she spent 240 Rand on her dress. But the question says, how much of money did she have left? So basically she had 3/5 left. We need to solve how much was left. So we know the total is 600 Rand. So it's 600 minus 240, which is 360. And now you write a closing sentence again. And you said she had 3/5 left, which is 360 Rand. Now there is another way of doing it and I'll show you. So you can say 3/5 of 600 over 1. Now any number over 1 is always the number itself. You don't have to write the number over 1 because here we're just representing it as a fraction. So what we're going to do, we're going to ask, we're going to try to simplify this fraction first. We're going to say 5 can go into 5 one time. That's the denominator. And then we can say 5 can go into 600 120 times. So what I basically did here is I simplified the denominator with the numerator on the top. I found out how many 5's can go into 5 at the denominator, and I took 600 divided by 5 and I got 120. Then the next step is to just multiply the numerators together. So we're going to say 3 times 120 is equal to 360. And then we write a closing sentence and we say she had 360 Rand left. Okay, I hope you understood everything and enjoyed the video. Go through everything slowly. Don't forget to like, and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, everyone.